Hi everybody, my name's Bunny.
And I'm Kay.
And we are
Bitchin' and Eatin'.
And today we have our collab mukbang with Anna Marie.
If you guys have not checked her out, you should go over to her channel. We'll link it below in the description below. And you should watch her videos.
Today we're going to eat 20 McNuggets.
20?
A large fry.
And we didn't get soda there, but we had got some of our favorite that's only out during the season. Cranberry ginger ale.
And I got water because you guys keep complaining that I don't drink enough water.
Ooh.
So, yeah, go check out her page because she does a lot of videos, and they're really, really good. And her son is so adorable.
But I think my favorite thing she does is the faux freckles. It is so cute. I wore them last night during my live stream.
Go ahead.
Okay, shall we get started then?
Yeah, hold on.
What'd you do?
Drop my makeup.
Oh, that's not nice.
Okay.
I guess as soon as this one's uploaded, we will upload our shopping vlog around town. I got honey mustard sauce. Yes. It looks like a boot. These boots are made for walking.
I'm being so productive.
Good idea.
I mean, legit. And I also have honey mustard sauce. Because you can never go wrong with honey mustard sauce.
Oh no.
I must have changed it. It's sweet.
Yeah. You got a little bit of spice.
I need help getting that other chicken in. It's out.
Oh, the chicken's out again?
Help.
Inhale.
I just found a pair of boots. Nice.
Hold on. Can you pause in a second? Oh my god, that was awesome. I got in my fries.
Ew.
Ooh. Yep, just said that. Perfect. Maybe this time it won't explode on me.
It's the legit Peter Mon
mentioned us in yet another video, and we are very thankful.
We're also tickled very pink.
Very pink. And I'm only going to say pink because pink is just a lighter shade of red.
Yeah, but you don't like pink.
I know, but it's weird because you add white to any other color and it makes a lighter color, but when you add white to red, it makes pink. Okay, I need to get something to clean this up. I didn't think it was this much of a mess. Oh, God, I can't believe I made such a mess.
You're a nerd.
I am a nerd. Okay. But I absolutely love that ginger ale.
So today on the live stream, I will be unboxing my Aki Dearest poster.
Also, we have a little surprise for you. We can't tell them yet. We have a surprise for you on the live stream as well.
It's sitting on the table staring at me.
Staring at us. I'm not excited about the one.
I'm not excited about either of them.
I guess we're not used to doing pre-recorded videos. We're used to being able to engage with our fans.
You guys got a surprise from Bitch and Mama in our
In our vlog.
Yep. So look forward to that.
Hold on.
Don't you dare.
Oh no, my phone went off. I just wanted to make sure it was. Oh no. It was Peter. He's snapping us.
So we're gonna.
Hold on, I might need that. Because I'm not sure what it is. I don't, sorry.
Oh, dang it.
That's okay.
Kirby acts like we don't know what the hell we're doing. Half the time.
Any writing?
Oh, I said, that's okay, thanks. Anyways, I said we're doing our collab video, and I'm typing, I'm reading what I'm typing to you. That's exactly what I said.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we can remember this moment forever. Oh.
He's gonna
Oh,
be mad. He's mad, isn't he?
I said our collab video. I meant mine. No.
Did you forget to take that out of the truck?
What?
That?
No, it was downstairs.
Why?
Oh. I thought she forgot to take it out of the truck. I was gonna
She
go
brought
get
it in the truck with all the other stuff that I had her to go get.
Okay. Here it is, guys.
Oh, that's my coffee. You can't have that.
Well, here. I was just gonna set it over there. Here.
I got a lid over downstairs.
Sorry, I'm super awkward sometimes. Because I am. I'm super awkward.
I'm gonna save the rest of these for the live stream.
Well, I have to eat this side. I dropped all that soda in it.
Ew.
Well, they're just fine. I mean, they're a little cranberry-y. Yeah, Ma. I go to open up the soda and it explodes everywhere.
And then Peter Mont snaps at us.
Mm-hmm.
Any what?
He snapped us.
What does
He
that mean?
Snapchat.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
So I was reading what I was writing to him. Because I'm an awkward person. Probably would have been better if we warmed him up.
I got a cheeseburger. How'd that happen?
Well, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. Well, look at this. I mean, wasn't they usually bigger? You know, but
Um,
yeah.
And then they can't figure out why
Yeah.
people eat like 5 and 8.
Yeah.
sorry, we're being very quiet. I would like, I don't know, should we give him another
I'm not
shout out
quiet.
to Peter? Yeah, we should give another shout out to Peter.
What?
Every time I say these things, I'm shoving food in my mouth.
Mm.
I'd rather not talk with food in my mouth. Okay. Are you ready?
Hi, Peter Mon. We love you.
Yes, we love you. And also, folks, if you don't already know about Peter Mon, you should go check out his channel. I'll put it in the description below. So yes, please do that. He's helped us so much, and we are so grateful. Like, I think we've made him cry as much as he's made us cry. Like, yeah. I literally can't watch those 2 videos without tearing up like a lot. Just a lot. Just a lot. Yeah. And yes.
No, just the great.
And remember, Peter, you can never leave YouTube because you're now YouTube famous.
Because he is YouTube famous.
Chew your nug as well.
I am. I need to seriously contact McDonald's about selling these in the freezer section.
Don't ever do it. Their business will run out.
They will get so much more money if they sell these in the freezer section. Because they get a profit of whatever item they sell.
Mm.
Like Taco Bell and their sauces.
Mm-hmm.
And the Taco Bell taco set thing. Mm-hmm.
Half.
I don't even know if I'll need it.
I don't know.
No. Leave it there.
I wonder if they put horseradish in this.
Well, they might put a little bit. I know they put spicy mustard in it. No, they don't. They don't put horseradish in it.
No,
Mm-hmm. So last night I was seriously, utterly so excited about today that I only managed to get 3 hours of sleep. Because I went to sleep and then I woke up 3 hours later and I was awake.
I'm gonna be busted. I'm tired here in a while.
I was also so excited that I made some hard fan art of Peter. Mon. Like, it's not the
If you
greatest.
guys want to go check it out, you can check it out on her Twitter page.
Mm-hmm. I'm just glad it came out looking like him. I mean, the hair not so much. I wish I could do hair better, but I'm not like detailed artist. I've seen some of the other things on his Twitter, and I was like, damn, I wish I could do that.
I ran out.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. You're in a nugget too.
It's okay. Because this is all I can manage to stuff in my face for now.
Mm-hmm.
I may be hungry later.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead and continue on your righteous.
That is actually really carbonated, and I enjoy it. Oh,
I'm gonna eat these.
I love carbonation. Oh, those are gross. Dang, those are loud. Yeah, she got these things called Necco,
Mm-hmm.
and they're like these tart things,
They're the original.
sweet tarts.
No, oh, why do I keep burping eggs? Man, that's nasty.
Don't tell that to them.
I keep. No, they're the original candy wafers.
Mm. I thought wafers were supposed to be soft.
Uh-uh. I am not eating that one.
Mm-hmm. I lied, I did eat it. Plus my last one.
Gross. Oh, wait. No. Go.
Oh, you know, we can do 2 outros at once.
Yes, we did. Ew.
No, yes, we can.
Ew.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's Pepto-Bismol. No, legit. Taste it.
Told you I didn't like them. I like how they have them in fun shape, like football, boots, not sure what that is. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm almost done. I only got 3 to go.
Sorry, it's freaking cold in here.
And our video is only 20 minutes long. 20 minutes of us eating.
Yummy.
Sounds about right. Tell us boot shoe.
Mm-hmm. Oops.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody,
Thanks for liking, commenting.
and subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications when you know we do our next video.
Yes.
And also remember,
Look both ways before pulling out into traffic.
that's right. Bye.